The Pecticho Electric Pressure Washer 4100 PSI is a high-powered cleaning tool boasting a maximum pressure of 4,100 pounds per square inch and a water flow rate of 3.2 gallons per minute, which makes it capable of effectively removing even the most stubborn dirt. Despite its powerful performance, the pressure washer is compact and lightweight, featuring a unique retractable trolley bar and wheels for easy maneuverability and a lengthy hose to reach challenging spots. The pressure washer comes equipped with 5 quick-connect nozzles of varying degrees and an attached foam cannon, allowing for 4 different pressure levels and the production of rich bubbles ideal for car washing. The Pecticho pressure washer incorporates a total stop system and safety lock, which not only saves energy but also prolongs the life of the pump, while the plug has overheating protection to prevent accidents. Pecticho offers professional after-sales service, with a dedicated team available around the clock to provide sales and repair services, ensuring peace of mind for customers. With an average review score of 4.3 and 187 reviews, the Pecticho Electric Pressure Washer 4100 PSI is a popular choice among consumers for its performance, convenience, and safety features.